Alright, so today we're going to try to fix up this BNSF GP-40-2. It's HO scale, and the wheels won't move, but the lights work, so I'm thinking that cat hair has gotten stuck within the trucks down here. So what we're going to do is take it apart, take a look at the wheels, remove all the cat hair that we can, and put it back together, and hopefully get it fixed. And taking these apart is actually pretty easy, and not going to take us that long at all. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this part right here, and it just snaps off. See? Bingo. There we go. Where we can see this is the heavy part right here. This is one of the things that make it heavy. Then we got these two little screws right here and right here that I believe we need to remove. No, I think it actually just slides off. Hold on. I'm lost. I'm lost. Alright, so I was right. Now, next up, do we have to remove that, all of this at the top? From the looks of it, yes, we're going to have to remove this whole upper piece right here. Yeah, we're going to, geez, this thing's heavy. Take all this off very, very, very softly. And, not mess anything up, right? Right, yeah, we're not gonna mess it up. Alright, so let's move that shell out of the way. Tape, right? Tape. Don't know if you can hear me, it's really loud in here. Remove the tape. Oh god. Never worked on these trains before, but how bad can it go? Alright, let's not take the tape off completely. Is this all glued down? I just realized it was connected to that top part anyway, so we didn't need to remove it. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. Don't think I need to point out that I've never done anything about trains before. This is my first time. Alright, now I can really feel it. Back part. Woo. Shout out to SMT Mainline or whatever his channel's called. This is where I mainly get all my information from. At least he knows what he's doing. Alright, I think it's already unscrewed. It's wanting to come apart, but I'm not wanting it to. While it's holding it down. Yeah. Yeah, see? I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, what? I'm lost already. Alright, there's a screw in here, so I'm thinking I'm supposed to get in there and unscrew it. Do I have any tiny screwdrivers in here? Is there any seriously tiny screwdrivers? Kinda needing that. Yeah, that's not gonna fit in there. Might have to come out here and try it later. I am lost. Yeah, quick break.